Hello third grade and welcome to problem solving for today. We're going to be looking at using models to compare fractions with the same denominator. Now we've been looking at how we can create equivalent fractions. And today we are going to compare two kinds of fractions by using a model. Let's go ahead and begin. We are on page 685. Pause the video so you can get to this page. Maria and Evan are both jogging a mile. Maria has jogged 7/8 mile, and Evan has jogged 3/8 mile. Who has jogged a shorter distance? Solve this problem any way you choose. Explain how you decide. First thing we need to do is identify comparing symbols. The first symbol, the alligator mouth, opens to the left. That means greater than. Go ahead and write that out. Second one, the alligator mouth opens to the right, and that means less than. And finally, we have the equal sign. That means equals to. Give you a chance to write that out. And we'll begin with Maria. Now it says Maria jogged 7/8 mile. The denominator is 8. So my fraction bar needs to have 8 sections. They're both going to have 8, so I'm going to go ahead and do them both at the same time. I'll divide them in half. Remember, if it's an even number, we always start by dividing it in half, and then keep dividing those halves into half, and then those other halves into half. So now we'll divide both of those halves in half, so we have equal parts. How many parts do I have now? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to divide those in half. Now how many parts do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 equal parts. Now Maria jogged 7 out of 8, so I need to shade in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Evan jogged 3 out of 8. So we have Maria, and I want you to write this down at the bottom. And below it, write 7/8 and Evan, who ran 3/8. Now, which one jogged a shorter distance? We'll circle them. Who jogged a shorter distance? Evan. Circle Evan. Who jogged the greater distance? Underline who jogged the greater distance. Maria. So Maria jogged greater than Evan. Now there's a fancy way to check our work to make sure that Maria jogged further than Evan, and we call that butterfly. To check our work with butterfly, we multiply from the denominator up to the opposite numerator. What is 8 times 3? Take a moment to think. What's 8 times 3? 24. Write 24 and circle it. Then we do the same. Starting to look like a butterfly. 8 times 7. What's 8 times 7? 56. Is 56 greater than 24? Yes. So we can check with, we call that butterfly, multiplying up to the opposite numerator. Once you're finished writing this out, make sure you take your time. Then I will see you in our next activity for today.